Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the language of the Siri on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just open your setting application, and right after that you just need to scrolling down, and now you just need to go click this Siri and search. And in the Siri there will be boxes in ask Siri section, and on these boxes there will be containing the language here, so I just need to click them. And now you just need to pick which language that you want to choose. So here, let's say here I will let you change from English into I'll let you do Indonesia, but I cannot find it. So I think I'll let you choose the Malay, and you just need to Google these languages. And after that you just need to go back, and you're done. So the language now is really changed. If you want to change them back, go click them, and you just need to find the language that you want to pick, and you just need to go back. So that's the way how to change the language on a Siri application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll let see you for the next tutorial.